poppin', let me see you drop something. Move, shorty. I done ran laps around. How you think I think about sex, like money and love? I pleaded with you to believe in the hustle and the dream. We could have been the perfect team. Seems like one of us got jealous when I married the music. Told you something real, but you didn't want it. Fast cars, big rocks, top stars. I didn't ask you if I love famous. All I told you was when we connect was to keep it poppin'. I see you brought your A game to the dice game. I sip my champagne like Avion water. I got in 51 states. The lost state is my state of mind. Let me see you do something. I'ma keep it.
My addiction to hip-hop puts me through it. My side effects are withdrawal, tone deaf and beat affliction. While I'm stressing the world's unemployment, short deployment, equal stress by the masses. Has it taken our minds off the real hustle, or the economy's built off dollars and nonsense? So I asked, where did the music go? But they was more focused on the booty shakers and fake love songs in the club. Button your lips, tighten your waist. Lack of meals has no freedom of speech. Has me impeached on record for freely speaking my mind. Art and war, art and design. The power of music combined as it delivered the message from the mind. It's a sign of the times. There are so many things that I'm going through. Yeah. Stressing wars in other countries and can't even stop our own drug wars here, leaving kids dead in the streets. Suicide and abortion, extortion and prostitution. With a government pimp that treats our own people like whores, we stay trying to help other countries and can't even help ourselves. Born in debt, united in debt, speaking my mind is a threat. Blind justice means death. I developed a master plan to survive, but society keeps me 3 steps back. I'm so hungry, you can see my ribbon to my back. I'm not trying to watch the news. Every time the media speaks, I gotta sort out the facts from fiction. I guess if they speak the truth, people won't listen. So I keep wishing, hoping it'll all come together someday. There's so many things that I'm going through. It's tough being a sheep or a bee in this world and milk and honey when everybody's out for the money. Too much greed, not enough Godspeed. Do I follow a lead? A little faith is all I need. So I teach my seed. In the heavens, there's only one God you see. As we walk in the likeness of His Son. No stress, at the end of the day, all is done.